So I'm going to be showing you guys how to solve with angle relationships. So the first one, we're going to solve for the variable. In this case, we're going to solve for k. So we would call this an adjacent angles because they share a common vertex. So let's start. So what we would have to do for adjacent angles are gonna add up. So we're gonna have to add up 25 and 20, and that will equal k, because k is the total of the adjacent angles. So 25 plus 20, that's obviously gonna equal 45. You can put that in your calculator. So k will equal 45, and adjacent angles share a common vertex. Next is this one. This we call complementary. This is a complementary angle. So it's going to have to add up to 90. So a way to solve that is we could do 90 minus 58. And that's going to equal 32 if you plug that into your calculator. So R is going to equal 32. And you could check that by adding 32 and 58, and then you'll get 90 again if you did it correct. So this is the final answer, but you can check it by adding or subtracting. Next, this we call a supplementary angle. So in supplementary angles, they have to add up to 180. So a way to do that, similar to complementary, we just subtract the 145 from 180. So not 90, but instead 180. So with that, we get 35. So t is going to equal 35. And again, you can check the answer by adding 35 and 45, and you should get 180. Next is 4. We call these vertical angles. Vertical angles are going to be equal to each other. So 5a should equal 140, and then you just divide both sides by 5. So with that, you're going to get 28. So a equals 28. Next, this problem. This is kind of an application to the supplementary problem. So basically they have to equal 180. So we're just going to add them up. It looks harder, but it's not. We just add both of these up to 180. So m plus 25 equals 180, since we have to combine like terms. So m should equal 125 since we subtract the 25 from the 80. Well, we subtract the 25 from both sides. So my mistake. It's going to equal 155. Last problem. This is another supplementary. It's going to have to also add up to 180. So we're going to just add them up again. 5y minus 25 plus 70 equals 180. Combine like terms. 5y plus 45 equals 180. 5y is going to equal 135. 135, well, we divide both sides by 5, and we're going to get 27. So the final answer is y equals 27. And again, you can check this by plugging 27 into y here. And then once you get that, you're going to get this answer, then add 70, then you should get 180. That's it. Bye.